Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we will discuss about the remaining question of chapter number 3, exercise review exercise of chapter number 3 of last time mathematics. Hopefully this will be our last class on the online platform. In the next lecture we will be inshallah available face to face for this class, and now today we will complete this exercise. Question number 2, page number 71. We have already done part number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Part number 6 is to find the value of x if this situation occurs. Now, the question belongs to proportions. So we have already done these situations, these questions. These are extremes and these are means. We know that the product of means is equal to product of extremes. These are extremes, these are means. So 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by x. Now 3 will going to divide on the right hand side, which is equal to x. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so 2 5s are 10. This is the value of x. Part number 7 is if x and y squares varies directly, mean to say x is directly proportional to y square and x is equal to 27 and y is equal to 4. First, we will do this step. Through this, we can easily find the value of k. So it becomes x. Instead of directly proportional sign, we will write equal sign and k, then y square. This will our main relation. Now put these values. Value of x is 27, k, and value of y is 4, and square on it. So 4 square, that is 16. This 16 will going to divide on the right hand side. This is the value of k. Now, furtherly, he wants us to find the value of y if x is equal to 3. Okay. So now k will not change. We know that through this relation, x is equal to ky square. So now we have this value of x, that is 3, this value of k, that is 27 over 16, after that 16 y square. This 16 will going to multiply there and this 27 will going to divide here. So we can say that 3 multiplied by 16 divided by 27 is equal to y square. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So you are left with y square is equal to 16 over 9. But this will be the value of only y square. To find the value of y, we will apply here the square root. So it becomes 16 square root, that is 4, and 9 square root, that is 3. And that's it. This is the part number 7. We have already done these type of questions. Okay. After that, Part number 8, that is U and V varies inversely. If U and V varies inversely, mean to say between U and V there is some inversely proportional relation, and U is equal to 8 when V is equal to 3. Now, to find the value of K from here, you can write it as U is equal to K over V. Instead of directly proportional sign, you need to write equal sign and K. This one you can write it or not. So this is the main relation. Now to find the value of K, we need these values. That is 8 is equal to K over 3. This 3 will going to multiply there. 3 8s are 24. Now, furtherly, we need to find the value of V. If we have the value of U, that is 12. Now we have this relation, U is equal to K over V. U value that is 12, K value that is 24 over V. Now this V will going to multiply there and this 12 will going to divide here. So reshuffle these values. 12 will be appear inside of V. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So you have this value of V. Very simple questions these are. Okay. Now part number 9. You need to find the fourth proportion from this 8, 7, 6. So this is first, this is second, this is third proportion. So we need to find the fourth one. So fourth proportion will be obviously x. So we need to find this value of x. So you can write it as 8 ratio 7 proportion 6 ratio x. So again, 8 multiplied by x is equal to 7 multiplied by 6. This 8 will going to divide there. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 7 3s are 21 over 4. This is the value of x. Or you can say this is the fourth proportion. Now, part number 10. We need to find the mean proportional for 16 and 49. What are mean proportional? You have already done mean proportional. You need only two values for the mean proportional. Those values will be extremes. So mean proportional will be, if suppose x, then these are written as extreme values. So 16 ratio, suppose means are m. Now you need to find the values of m. So again, product of extremes, product of means. So m square is equal to 16 multiplied by 49. You know that 16 is the square of 4. Basically, it is 28 square. 16 multiplied by 49, answer will be the square of 28. Now you need to find the value of m, so apply square root on it. So the value of m will be plus minus 28. And that's it. This was part number 10. Now for part number 11. We need to find the value of third proportional between 28 and 4. We have already done these type of questions. For third proportional, we also need only two values. We can say that suppose third proportional will be x. Now, what is the phenomena to write it within the form of proportional, proportional and ratio? For this, 28 ratio 4, then repeat this number again, second number. Now, the last one will be x. Now you need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, just need find the value of x. Just multiply by x is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. This 28 we are going to divide there. 4 4 is 16 divided by 28. Now 4 4 is 16 or 7. You are left with this value of x, and that's now talking about the next question. Of part number 12, that is y directly proportional to x square over z, then y is equal to 28, x is equal to 7, then z is equal to 2. Now, firstly, we will solve till this part. You know that these values are given to find the value of k. This will be the joint variation because it contains directly proportional and inversely proportional sign. At the same time, it works y is equal to kx square over z. This is our main relation. Now, put all these values. 28 is equal to k 7 square over 2. This 2 will going to multiply there, and it becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 56 is equal to 49k. This 7 square is equal to 49. This 49 will going to divide here. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So you are left with this value 8 over 7. Now the remaining part of question is that is only just find the value of y. Now this situation is very different from those parts that you have already done. He wants us to find the value of y, but we don't have any other value of x and z. In previous questions, if we are going to find these values, then we must have some other values to find that value. But he also told us that just only find the value of y. So it means that to find the value of y in terms of that k. So we have the main relation y is equal to kx square over z. Now he wants us to find the value of only y. We don't have the value of x, we don't have the value of z this time, but we only have the value of k. So put only this value of k, that is that's it. Just it makes the relation between y, x square and z. Now The 13 part is again just like this. Z is directly proportional to xy. It means that Z is equal to kxy. This will be our final relation. For this, we have three values. Z is equal to 36, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay. Now from this, we can easily find the value of k. Put all these values in it. 2 and y value, that is 3. It means 2 3s are 6. This 6 will going to divide here. So 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. We have the value of k right now. The remaining part of this question is to find the value of z only, and that's it. Now again, we need to find the value of z in terms of k. We have this relation. The value of k, we need to put it 6xy. That's it. We just need to find the value of z in terms of k only, because we don't have any value. We don't have any value of x and y. Okay. Now the last part of this exercise will be again the same thing. W is directly proportional, inversely proportional to v square. We have the value of w. Now, this w is equal to k over v square. Put all the values in it. The value of v is 3. 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 2s are 18. This will be the value of k. Now, he wants us to find the value of w. So we don't have the value of v here. So we will make the relation in terms of k in it. Now, put the value of k, and that's it. This will be the value of w in terms of k. Now, this was completely your chapter number 3. After that, some fill in the blanks, but we don't require any fill in the blanks in it, because this is not the part of, according to the board pattern of your mathematics portion. In the next lecture, we will discuss about partial fractions, what are partial fractions, and how we can solve it. This is a basic requirement. This chapter number 4 is very important, and it is very easy to do. So till now, the chapter number 3, we have all the lectures online, and we have done all the questions. We have done all the summary questions. We have done all the review exercises. We have done all the MCQs. We have done all the long and short questions, even definitions within this online platform. In the next lecture, we will discuss these things face to face, inshallah. And this will be our last class according to the online platform. Now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or any previous lecture, you can ask it now, and thank you. जी गर्म पानी जी अच्छा जी दे दीजिए